Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
Coming into Shavasana, the corpse pose, your legs are 3 to 4 feet apart. Adjust your body, your clothes, whatever you feel like. Turn the head to the right, turn it to the left, come back to the center. You can turn your head right and left a couple more times if you want to. Make any last adjustments that you want. Getting ready to settle down and do a little bit of breathing in Shavasana. So we'll take 4 counts to inhale, allowing the abdomen and the chest to rise, and we'll take 8 counts to exhale. Very, very slowly releasing the breath from the lungs, allowing the stomach to return to its relaxed position. We'll do this for 4 breaths. As you inhale, allow the stomach and the chest to expand. As you exhale, allow the chest to gently relax and the stomach to relax as well. Taking a nice long inhalation all the way down to your toes. Exhale fully, breathe all the air out of your lungs. Taking 4 counts to inhale the next time you inhale. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. One more time. Inhale, abdomen expands. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in the lungs. And release the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding the breath in the lungs for a few seconds. Release the breath slowly with control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax for a moment. Allow your feet, the legs, thighs, the hips, calves and the shins, the ankles and the toes, everything to relax completely. Relax your stomach, chest and your shoulders, the arms, the elbows and the wrists, fingers and the thumbs. Bring your awareness into all the muscles of your face. Relax your jaw, relax your cheeks, your eyes. Relax the skin above your forehead, in between your eyebrows, the temples,